Hey guys, today I wanted to show you guys a quick video. It's a little tip. This will work on a Honda Odyssey, Honda Accord, Honda Civic. Pretty much on all Hondas this trick will work. So if you want to open all the windows of your car but you don't want to go inside the car because maybe it's hot, now you can do this. It's really simple. From here you can just put the key inside and turn to the right 2 times and just leave it like that, and it should open all the windows. Now if you want to close the windows, you can do the same thing but backwards. So in this case we're gonna go to the left, so you can do it 2 times to the left, 1, 2, and you can see how the windows go up. So this is just a little quick video I wanted to show you guys. Some of you may not know this trick, so I find it really helpful in some ways. We're in Texas, so this trick will work. It's really good because the car is always hot inside. So alright guys, if this video helped you, please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, peace.